Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so today will be the scheduled exam for finals, and we have two topics that is all about geometrical constructions. All right, the line segments, the perpendicular bisector, all right, angle bisector that divides an angle. Okay, but only few about geometrical constructions, and we focus on quadratic polynomial equations. Okay, the highest degree or highest power for quadratic equation is 2. All right, and we can simplify expressions and equations. Remember, expressions don't have equals to 0, but if it is already equals to 0, then that is already an equation. Okay, so we can factor out. Okay, we can factor out quadratic expressions and also quadratic equation. Perfect square, we can factor out. We have also the highest common factor. We get the highest common factor of the terms. And we can use also for solving the root or the value of the variable x or y or whatever letter. We can find the root by factoring also. Especially we can use the cross method. Okay. In the cross method, remember that when we factor the first term and the third term, we make sure that we can get the middle term. All right. And then cross pair and simplify by finding the root, which is always, we always equate it with 0. Okay. So that was all about the test. Okay. So what about your classmates? They will not come in. What about Alice? Is she still here or what? Still here, Alice? Oh, she's not attending. Or maybe she can join the test now. At least she will not have blank in the final test. All right. What about Pepe? Satang, firm. I don't know what happened to them. Okay. So shall we start now? Are you all set? Anyway, you have your workbook that will help you guide. Okay, that will guide you if ever you have confusion. All right, especially in solving. Okay, then write your name, number, all right, English nickname, number, grade 8, section 1, grade 8/1. And this test is again have part 1, multiple choice, write the letter of your answer. And part 2 is solving 3 equations only for part 2. Okay. So all set? Ready now? We will start. Okay. right, so this is for part one. Write the letter of your answer. Number one. Which term refers to a part of a straight line between 2 points with a finite line? Is that A, diagonal, B, line segment, C, line diagram, or D, line graph? Okay. So for sure, we did not discuss line graph and line diagram. So therefore, you can choose. Okay, a part of a straight line between 2 points with a finite line. So what do you call that one? A part of the line. All right, number 2. What do you call the line that bisects, meaning crosses a line at 90 degrees? All right, what do you call that line that bisects another line at 90 degrees angle? Is that A, line segment, B, diagonal line, C, line graph, or D, perpendicular bisector? A line that bisects, okay, another line at 90 degrees. So you have there the clue. It bisects or cross another line forming 90 degrees. All right. Number 3. Okay, there you go. What do you call the line that divides an angle into 2 equal parts? It divides an angle into 2 equal angles. All right, so it has angles, so therefore is it A, perpendicular bisector, B, bisector of angle, C, diagonal, or D, right angle? Okay, divides into 2 equal angles. So what is that one? Is that A, B, C, or D? Number 4. All right, number 4. What is the highest degree in quadratic polynomials? What is the highest degree in quadratic polynomials? Is that A, 6, B, 4, C, 2, or D, 1? All right, number 5. Which term refers to the value of the variable or unknown which satisfies the equation of the quadratic equation? Is that A, stem, B, leaf, C, degree, or D, root? Okay, one moment. Let me check just for a while. All right. Okay, so that was number 5. Number 6. How do you find the solution or the root of a quadratic equation? A, is it by generalization? B, factorization or factoring? C, solution, or D, reduction? All right, next. Number 7. Okay, you have also there number 8. Make sure that you can factor out and you can get the middle term. All right. So number 7 is which of the following is not, okay, it's very clear, not a quadratic equation. Okay, that is number 7. And number 8 is you factor it out. Again, number 8, you factor out x squared minus 3x minus 10. Is that A, B, C, or D? Number 9. Number 9. All right. Factorize 3x squared minus 10x minus 8. What is the answer? Okay, so factor out the first term and the third term, but just make sure that you can get the middle term. Okay. You can use the cross method. Is that A, B, C, or D? Again, factor of 3x squared and negative 8, but make sure that you can get negative 10x in the middle. Okay, you have 50 seconds to finish. $30. All right, number 10. What is the answer when you factorize 4x squared plus 8? Okay, take out the common factor and you can have a perfect square. Okay, that is number 10. Take out the common factor and you can have a perfect square. $30 seconds. All right, number 11. Okay, it is still factoring number 11. Negative 4x squared minus 24x. What is the answer? Take out the common factor. Okay, and make sure you can get negative 4x squared minus 24x. Number 12. Number 12. What is the correct factoring of x squared minus 9x? X squared minus 9x. Number 13. Okay, finish number 12. Number 13. Which of the following is the correct factoring of negative 8x squared plus 24x? Okay, choose. Is that A, B, C, or D? All right. Number 14. What is the answer when you factorize negative 36 minus 9x squared? All right. I use the easy. I use the easy questions. And number 15. All right. What are the factors of 4x squared minus 9? The factor of 4x squared minus 9. All right. Okay, so I give an extension. 1 minute to solve the 3, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, part 2. Solve and show your solution. All right. Solve and show your solution. Only 3. Okay. You can use the cross method, number 1 and number 2. Solve for the roots. And take note that is equals 0. And then find the value of x. Find the 2 values of x. Okay, your final answer should be x equals or. Okay, so take note there are 2. X equals. So that will be your final answer. The 2 values of x. Okay, your last answer should be like this one. But remember, show your solution. If any one of you was not able to catch up some questions, just tell me. I will go back. All right, we still have time. If any one of you missed some question from 1 to 15, just tell me and I go back. Okay, we have 5 minutes. All right, 4 minutes. All right, all finished? Okay, not yet. All right, so you can still have time. Okay, you still have time. Just copy part 2 so that you can finish that one. And after you finish, you take a photo and send it to the group, or you can send it just like before, you can send it directly to me, okay? All right, we have 1 minute left. 1 minute and 10 seconds. All right, so again, once you are finished, you can take a photo of that one and send it to the group, the line group, or you can directly send it to me, just like the midterm, okay? So before the time ends, let me thank you all for your attendance, and all right, you take care always. Okay, so we have less than a minute. Okay, so it will be ending now. So thank you once again. Thank you guys. See you next time.